The sculpture is secure. That's not a sculpture though, man. Come on. Bam! So another pickup. Today we're doing the Markerad collection from IKEA and Virgil Abloh. So man, just to be honest with you, man, this is probably the most hype beast type of nonsense I've ever done. But you know what? We gotta do it. We gotta do it because it's fun. So we doing it, and I got the sculpture, and I gotta say this is a very fine looking sculpture. It mimics a paper bag so convincingly. It's almost as if it was just a paper bag. But on the real, it's really not a paper bag. Some kind of weird material. I really don't even know. It looks pretty sturdy and stable. So there goes your sculpture, crafted by the finest that China probably has to offer. And then we got the homework. Kids, do your homework. It's a tool set. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Markerad Virgil Abloh homework tool set. Alright, let's go ahead and open this thing up here. And what can I say? It's a tool set. Yeah, I just bought a tool set that I don't need because we on this hypebeast thing. Got the pliers, got the hammer, got this wrench right here. All the quality actually feels pretty good. Now I can use this stuff. I just picked up the Supreme tool set, which I was happy with, so I could definitely use this here. So that's that. Man, I could have got the rug, but you know what, guys? I had to take a pass on that because that's a lot of money for a rug. And I'm not the dude. I don't need a rug in my life. I'm good. So, thanks for checking it out. Hope y'all enjoyed the little show and tell video. The collection. Markerad, Virgil Abloh. Boom. Peace.